In the following tutorial, we will demonstrate how to effectively use the removeResults function in GameGuardian. The function takes a table of search results, which is usually stored in a variable named results. This function is used to remove unwanted or unnecessary search results from the current session. The example starts by displaying an alert to the user with the message "Start searching." The search number function is used to search for the values 100 and 200 in the game, specifically looking for them as dword values. Then, the getResults function retrieves up to 1,000 results from the search and stores them in a variable named results. After that, a new empty table called toRemove is created. This table will be used to store any results that need to be removed later. This part of the script loops through each item in the results table using the iPairs function. For each item, it checks if the value of the item is equal to 200. If the condition is true, the item is added to the toRemove table using the table insert function. This means that any result with a value of 200 will be stored in the toRemove table for removal later. Here, the removeResults function is called with the toRemove table as its argument. This removes all the search results stored in toRemove, which, in this case, are the results with a value of 200. After that, an alert is shown to the user with the message "Removed all results with value 200. Finally, the getResults function is called again to retrieve up to 1,000 updated results, and these results are stored in the results variable for further processing. This part of the script checks if the number of results in the results table is greater than 5. If there are more than 5 results, it creates a new empty table called toRemove. Then, it starts a loop from the 6th result to the last result in the results table. For each of these results, it inserts the result into the toRemove table using the table insert function. This is done to store the extra results, which will be removed later. The last part of the example checks if there are more than 5 results in the results table. If there are more than 5 results, it removes the extra results by using the toRemove table as a parameter in the removeResults function. This table contains the extra results that need to be removed. Then, an alert is displayed saying, "Reduced value 100 results to 5." If there are 5 or fewer results, it skips the removal and shows an alert saying, value 100 already 5 or less, no need to remove extras. This informs the user that no extra results need to be removed. By using the removeResults function effectively, we can avoid using the refineNumber function, making the code more concise. However, if necessary, combining both methods, removeResults and refineNumber, can enhance the refinement process. While refineNumber automatically narrows down the search results based on specific values or ranges, removeResults removes unwanted results that don't meet certain criteria. Using both can further refine the search results, making the process more precise and flexible when needed.